Have you ever downloaded an important file, an image, or a document only to spend the next 20 minutes tearing your hair out trying to figure out where it actually went? It is incredibly frustrating when Google Chrome hides your downloads in some random, deeply buried folder by default. But what if you could take completely control and force every single download to land exactly where you want it, like right on your desktop? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in just a few clicks. Welcome back to PC Error Detective, your ultimate guide for fixing those annoying computer headaches. When you first install Chrome, it automatically sends everything to a generic downloads folder, which quickly turns into a massive, unorganized mess. If you're constantly losing track of your downloaded files, it is time to change that default location once and for all. Grab your mouse, open up your Chrome browser right now, and let's jump straight into the settings to fix this messy download problem permanently. Alright, with your Google Chrome browser fully open and loaded on your screen, I want you to direct your attention all the way up to the very top right-hand corner of the window. Right up there, just below the exit button, you are going to see three little vertical dots. Go ahead and take a second to left-click right on those three little dots to reveal the drop-down menu. This is the main gateway to taking control of your browser. Perfect! Now that this little menu has popped up on your right-hand side, you need to slowly scan down that list of options until you spot the one labeled Settings. Click directly on Settings right now. Once you do that, Google Chrome is going to load up a brand new tab on your computer dedicated entirely to your browser preferences. Give it a second to load up fully so we can find exactly what we need to adjust next. Good job! Now that you are safely inside this main settings page, take a look over at the left-hand side where the main menu panel is located. You will see a long list of categories there, but we are looking for a specific tab called Downloads. Go ahead and click firmly on that Downloads option. Doing this instantly opens up the File Management section on the right side of your screen, where we will finally fix this annoying default folder problem. Excellent! Right at the very top of this Download section, you will instantly notice an option that clearly says Location. Next to it, you can see the exact file path where Chrome is currently dumping all of your files, which is usually a messy default folder. To completely override this behavior, bring your mouse cursor over to the right side and click directly on the button that says Change. A brand new window will pop up immediately after you click it. Inside this pop-up window, you have the absolute freedom to search your computer and choose any custom location you prefer, like your desktop. Go ahead and select your preferred folder, then go down to the bottom corner and click on the Select Folder button to lock it in. While you do that, if you are finding this quick tech tip helpful, do not forget to hit that subscribe button for PC Error Detective so you never miss another quick computer fix. Thank you so much for watching and take care until next time.